The HIPLAY Kilobody Transformers Bumblebee Hand Cannon 1-to-1 Wearable KB2006991 Cosplay Prop. Inspired by the legendary Bumblebee Blaster from the Transformers universe. This highly detailed wearable hand cannon is designed for collectors, cosplayers, photographers, and sci-fi fans who want an authentic movie-style experience. Built with premium craftsmanship and realistic mechanical detailing, this life-size replica transforms your cosplay into a true heroic battle-ready look. The KB2006991 Bumblebee Hand Cannon features an impressive 1-to-1 scale design, capturing the iconic futuristic weapon aesthetic seen in Transformers films. From the armored mechanical textures to the bold sci-fi styling, every detail has been carefully recreated to give fans a realistic and immersive prop experience. Suit up for the ultimate collector experience with the legendary Hot Toys Iron Man Mark II 2.0 MMS733D59 from Marvel's iconic Iron Man movie. In this detailed unboxing and review, we take a close look at one of Hot Toys' most impressive die-cast figures ever created. Featuring over 100 silver chrome armor pieces, incredible LED light-up functions, and a newly developed Tony Stark head sculpt with rolling eyeballs, the Mark II 2.0 is a true masterpiece for Marvel collectors and Iron Man fans alike. From the premium packaging to the stunning accessories, every detail of this collectible screams high-end quality. The figure stands approximately 32.5 centimeters tall, with over 30 points of articulation, allowing for dynamic flying poses and movie-accurate displays. We'll explore the interchangeable missile-launching armor parts, articulated hands with glowing repulsors, opening armor pieces, and the beautifully designed workshop-inspired LED display base. This review also covers articulation, paint quality, die-cast engineering, posing possibilities, and how the figure compares to previous Iron Man Hot Toys releases. The silver chrome finish on this Mark II armor looks absolutely incredible and delighting, making it one of the cleanest and most futuristic Iron Man suits ever produced. Whether you're building a Hall of Armor display or starting your Marvel collection. Powerful and stylish Haggibis USB hub, the ultimate desktop docking station designed for creators, professionals, gamers, and multitaskers. Combining a premium USB-C hub with a multifunction desktop controller, this innovative gadget delivers fast connectivity, convenient shortcut controls, smooth volume adjustment, and ultra-fast 2.5G Ethernet networking in one compact device. Whether you're editing videos, working from home, gaming, or managing multiple devices, the Haggibis USB-C docking station helps boost productivity while keeping your setup clean and organized. The standout feature of this docking station is its multifunction control knob and customizable shortcut buttons. Easily adjust system volume with a smooth rotating dial for precise control during work, music playback, streaming, or gaming sessions. The shortcut button. The Haggibis Earbuds Cleaning Brush Kit Cleaner Pen is a smart, all-in-one maintenance tool designed to keep your wireless earbuds and small devices spotless and performing at their best. Built with precision and portability in mind, this multifunction cleaning pen is perfect for AirPods Pro, AirPods, earbuds, smartphones, and other compact electronic accessories. This handy cleaning kit features a dual head design that combines a soft cleaning brush, a high-density flocking sponge, and a fine metal tip. Each component is engineered to reach deep into tiny crevices, removing dust, earwax, and debris that can affect sound quality and charging performance. The soft brush gently cleans speaker meshes without causing damage. Step onto the field with confidence in these professional FG/TF soccer cleats designed for speed, control, and all-day comfort. Built for serious players and passionate football lovers, these boots feature long spike traction for superior grip on firm ground and turf surfaces, helping you stay fast and stable during intense matches and training sessions. The lightweight and breathable design keeps your feet cool and comfortable, while the durable upper enhances ball control for precise passes, powerful shots, and quick dribbling. With a snug fit and responsive cushioning, these football boots deliver the perfect balance of performance and comfort for every game. Whether you're training hard, competing in matches, or playing casually with friends, these soccer cleats are made to elevate your performance on the pitch. Stylish, durable, and performance-driven. This versatile 2-in-1 serrated peeling knife, designed for effortless peeling, slicing, and everyday food prep, combining a sharp serrated blade with a built-in bottle opener. This multifunctional kitchen tool is both practical and stylish. The premium wooden handle offers a comfortable, non-slip grip while adding a classic touch to your kitchen accessories collection. Perfect for peeling fruits and vegetables like tomatoes, potatoes, cucumbers, carrots, apples, and more. The serrated edge glides smoothly through soft and hard skins without damaging the food inside. Whether you're preparing salads, snacks, or full meals, this handy tool helps save time and effort in the kitchen. Crafted with durable stainless steel, the blade is rust-resistant, sharp, and built for long-lasting performance. Enjoy fresh, natural juice anytime with this premium manual juice squeezer made from durable aluminum alloy and real stainless steel components. Designed for effortless squeezing, this portable hand-press juicer extracts maximum juice from lemons, limes, oranges, and other citrus fruits with minimal effort. Upgrade your bar setup with this innovative magnetic jigger, the perfect tool for bartenders who want precision, speed, and style in every pour. Designed with a sleek modern look and built for convenience, this dual-capacity measuring tool helps you create perfectly balanced cocktails like a pro. The smart magnetic design allows the jigger pieces to connect securely. New Fashion 2000W electric mountain dirt bike. A powerful, eco-friendly machine built for thrill seekers and adventure lovers. Designed with a high-performance 2000W motor and a robust 48V21AH battery. The ultimate glow battle experience with the multicolor spray lightsaber sword toy. A thrilling fusion of light, mist, and action designed for both kids and adults. This eye-catching light sword transforms ordinary play into an epic adventure with vibrant LED colors and a unique smoke spray effect that brings every swing to life. Crafted for excitement, this lightsaber features multiple color modes that shift and glow brilliantly in the dark, making it perfect for night play, parties, cosplay events, and outdoor fun. The built-in mist spray function adds a realistic energy blade effect, creating a cool visual atmosphere that feels straight out of a sci-fi universe. Made from durable, lightweight materials, it's easy to handle for children while still sturdy enough for intense play. Whether you're recreating epic battles, performing at a party, or just enjoying imaginative play, this glowing sword delivers non-stop entertainment. Key features multicolor LED lighting. Switch between vibrant colors for a dynamic look smoke spray effect. Adds a magical, futuristic vibe to every move. Safe and durable design. Lightweight and child-friendly construction perfect for any occasion. Ideal for cosplay, parties, festivals, and outdoor fun. Easy to use. Simple controls for lights and spray function bring excitement, color, and action into your playtime with this glowing spray lightsaber. The perfect gift for boys, kids, and even adults who love adventure and imagination. The calm power of the Mist Hashira with this stunning 103cm anime Nichiren katana inspired by Tokitu Muichiro. Designed for true anime fans and cosplay enthusiasts. This smoke-style blade captures the mysterious and elegant aura of the character with incredible detail. Crafted with a sleek and lightweight build. This katana features a beautifully designed blade with a smoky visual effect. Step into the dark side of the galaxy with the Damien Saber Kylo Ren lightsaber, a masterfully engineered weapon inspired by the iconic saber wielded by Kylo Ren from the legendary Star Wars universe. Designed for serious enthusiasts, collectors, and duelists, this saber combines cinematic accuracy with cutting-edge technology to deliver an unmatched lightsaber experience. Crafted with a premium-grade metal hilt, this lightsaber offers a solid, weighty feel that replicates the power and presence of a true scythe weapon. The crossguard-inspired design not only enhances its visual authenticity, but also provides a comfortable and secure grip during combat or display. Built for durability. The hilt is engineered to withstand heavy dueling, making it ideal for both choreography and intense sparring sessions. At the core of this saber lies advanced motion control technology paired with highly responsive smooth swing effects. Every movement you make is translated into realistic sound feedback, creating a deeply immersive experience. Whether you're performing slow, controlled motions or fast, aggressive strikes, the saber reacts instantly with fluid, dynamic audio. Equipped with an impressive selection of 34 unique sound fonts, this lightsaber allows you to customize your experience like never before. Each font features distinct ignition sounds, hums, swings, flashes, and blaster effects, giving you the freedom to switch between different styles and moods. From classic tones to modern cinematic effects, every activation feels powerful and authentic. The high-intensity blade delivers a brilliant, vibrant glow that stands out in any environment. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, the blade maintains consistent brightness and visual impact, making it perfect for night displays, cosplay events, or filming content. Its durable construction ensures it can handle repeated impacts without compromising performance. This lightsaber is more than just a prop. It's a complete experience, with motion-based ignition, gesture controls, and responsive flash effects. You can interact with the saber in a way that feels natural and engaging, whether you're a performer, content creator, or dedicated fan. It offers the perfect balance between realism and functionality. PEAKIBUE PeakZook keyboard stand is built to sit at the peak of performance, design, and durability. Crafted from premium 6063 aluminum and shaped with CNC precision, it delivers a solid, cold metal feel that instantly upgrades any desk setup. The cyber-inspired aesthetic blends minimalism with futuristic edge, making it more than just a stand. It's a statement piece. Designed with a modular structure, PeakZook adapts easily to your workflow, whether you're gaming, coding, or creating. Despite its premium build, setup is effortless and takes just 5 minutes. Bring the beauty of the universe into your hands with this stunning 7.5 inches stars and moon kaleidoscope for adults. Designed with a unique triangular prism shape and inspired by the mysteries of the sun, moon, planets, and stars, this handmade kaleidoscope transforms ordinary light into mesmerizing cosmic patterns. Every turn creates a magical visual experience filled with colorful reflections and ever-changing geometric designs that captivate. Experience the thrill of luxury performance and futuristic design with the 124 Tourbillon EVO model toy spray Supercar. Crafted from high-quality alloy die-cast materials, this stunning miniature supercar captures the aggressive styling and premium details of a real high-end sports car. From its sleek aerodynamic body to its realistic interior, every angle of this model is designed to impress collectors, kids, and car enthusiasts alike. This die-cast supercar is more than just a display piece. It comes packed with interactive features that bring the excitement to life. The pullback function lets the car race forward with speed and power, while realistic sound and light effects create an immersive driving experience. Open the doors to reveal a detailed cockpit inspired by modern hypercars, making it feel like a true luxury performance vehicle in miniature form. One of the standout features of this Tourbillon EVO model is its built-in spray effect, adding an extra layer of excitement during playtime. The combination of glowing headlights, engine sounds, and spray action transforms this toy into a dynamic experience that captures the imagination of children and collectors alike. Whether displayed on a shelf or used for action-packed play, this model stands out from ordinary toy cars. Built with durable alloy die-cast construction, the car offers a solid premium feel while maintaining fine detailing throughout the body. The precision paint finish gives it a realistic showroom appearance, making it a perfect addition to any die-cast collection. Rubber tires, smooth rolling wheels, and carefully designed exterior elements create an authentic look that fans of exotic cars will appreciate. This 1/24 scale supercar is designed for both fun and display. Kids will enjoy hours of imaginative racing adventures, while adult collectors can admire the craftsmanship and stylish design. Its realistic proportions and premium construction make it suitable for desks, shelves, gaming setups, bedrooms, or collector showcases. The Tourbillon EVO model also makes an excellent gift for birthdays, Christmas, holidays, or special occasions. Whether for a child who loves toy cars or an adult passionate about supercars and collectibles, This die-cast model delivers excitement, style, and quality in one package. It's a memorable gift choice that combines entertainment with collectible appeal. Perfect for supercar fans, model collectors, racing enthusiasts, and anyone who appreciates automotive design. This toy offers a unique blend of realism and interactive fun. The opening doors add authenticity, while the sound and light features create a realistic driving atmosphere. Every detail is engineered to provide a premium experience that stands out from standard toy vehicles. Compact yet eye-catching, this model is easy to display and store. Its durable build ensures long-lasting enjoyment, making it ideal for regular play or long-term collection. The detailed craftsmanship, combined with exciting interactive features, creates a toy that feels both luxurious and entertaining, whether you are starting a die-cast collection or searching for the perfect gift. The 124 Tourbillon Evio model toy spray supercar delivers high-speed excitement and premium style. From realistic details to interactive effects, this alloy die-cast car is designed to impress at first sight and provide endless enjoyment for years to come. Relax, squeeze, and unwind with this satisfying blue maltose squishy toy. Designed with a soft transparent jelly-like texture, this anti-stress sensory fidget toy delivers a super satisfying slow rebound feel that helps reduce anxiety, improve focus, and keep your hands busy anytime, anywhere. Made from soft, durable, and pressure-resistant material, this simulated blue maltose squishy offers a unique tactile experience that feels smooth, stretchy, and incredibly